Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and two names are leading the conversation: ChatGPT and DeepSeek. While OpenAI's ChatGPT has dominated the Western market, a new contender from China, DeepSeek, is making waves, and US tech companies are feeling the heat. But how do these AI models compare? Is DeepSeek truly a threat to US dominance in AI? Or is this just another overhyped competitor? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is one of the most advanced language models in the world, powering everything from chatbots to business automation. It's backed by Microsoft and benefits from cutting-edge computational resources and massive datasets. On the other hand, DeepSeek is a relatively new player, but don't let that fool you. This Chinese startup has rapidly gained attention by developing a highly efficient and cost-effective AI model that challenges OpenAI's dominance. One of the most shocking facts about DeepSeek is how inexpensively it was developed. OpenAI has spent billions refining ChatGPT, scaling it with enormous datasets and high-performance GPUs to improve reasoning, problem-solving, and contextual awareness. In contrast, DeepSeek developed its flagship model with only $6 million in investment, yet it claims performance on par with OpenAI's most advanced models. This is a game-changer. If a company can create an AI competitor at such a low cost, it threatens the business model of tech giants like OpenAI and Google, who pour vast sums into AI research and development. Not only that, but DeepSeek has designed its models to be highly efficient, requiring fewer computational resources than ChatGPT. This means that businesses and individuals could potentially run powerful AI models with fewer GPUs, making them much more accessible than OpenAI's cloud-dependent system. ChatGPT has been optimized for advanced reasoning, contextual understanding, and creative generation, making it a top-tier assistant for writing, coding, customer support, and education. It can handle complex queries, generate human-like responses, and even assist in technical problem-solving. DeepSeek, however, focuses heavily on logical inference, mathematical reasoning, and problem-solving efficiency. Many early testers report that DeepSeek outperforms ChatGPT in solving math problems, coding challenges, and structured logic tests. This gives DeepSeek an edge in technical and engineering applications, where accuracy and efficiency are critical. While ChatGPT excels in creative and conversational applications, DeepSeek is carving out a niche where structured and deterministic problem-solving is required. One of the biggest concerns surrounding DeepSeek is censorship. Because DeepSeek is based in China, it follows strict government regulations, meaning that its responses are filtered through heavy content moderation and restrictions. This means users working with DeepSeek may find certain topics censored or responses biased toward Chinese government policies. In contrast, while OpenAI's ChatGPT also applies moderation, it follows Western standards of content filtering, meaning it allows for more diverse discussions and broader accessibility to information. Data privacy is another huge point of contention. OpenAI has faced questions about how it stores and utilizes user data, but DeepSeek's data policies are far more opaque. Given that China has strict control over technology and data access, many experts warn that DeepSeek's model could pose security risks if integrated into global businesses or infrastructures. This is one of the main reasons why US tech companies are up in arms over DeepSeek's rise. If a low-cost, high-efficiency AI model like DeepSeek gains traction in international markets, it could force companies like OpenAI and Google to rethink their strategies, not just in terms of technology, but also in business ethics, data transparency, and global competition. The rise of DeepSeek has already had major financial implications. When DeepSeek's Janus Pro multimodal AI was released, it quickly shot to the top of App Store rankings, even surpassing ChatGPT in downloads. This triggered a reaction from investors, leading to declining stock prices for major US AI companies, including Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google. Why? Because DeepSeek's success signals that advanced AI models can be developed at a fraction of the cost, using fewer GPUs and relying on more efficient architectures. If companies like OpenAI and Google don't adapt, they risk losing their competitive advantage to cheaper, more scalable alternatives. Additionally, DeepSeek's rapid integration into the Chinese market means it has access to a massive pool of users, giving it more real-world training data than Western models in certain areas. This could allow DeepSeek to accelerate improvements faster than OpenAI, especially in fields where practical deployment is key, such as robotics, automation, and industrial applications. The battle between ChatGPT and DeepSeek is more than just a competition between two AI models. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence, More efficient AI models will emerge as DeepSeek has proven that high-performing AI can be built with less capital and fewer resources. This will push other companies to optimize their architectures and reduce costs. Tighter regulations and scrutiny will likely follow, as governments may impose stricter AI regulations, especially on foreign developed models. The rise of open-source AI will accelerate as DeepSeek embraces open-source technology, making powerful models accessible to developers worldwide and leading to faster innovation. A shift in global AI power is inevitable, as US dominance in artificial intelligence is now being challenged. Companies will have to evolve their strategies to stay ahead of emerging competitors. The question is, where do we go from here? The battle between ChatGPT and DeepSeek is just getting started, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Will OpenAI maintain its dominance, or will DeepSeek disrupt the industry and redefine how AI is developed? One thing is certain: AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate, and the next few years will determine who controls the future of artificial intelligence. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button and share this video with others interested in AI advancements. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analyses on the latest in technology and artificial intelligence. Let us know in the comments. Do you think DeepSeek will surpass ChatGPT, or will OpenAI maintain its lead? Let's discuss. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.